So what we've got here is an EJ25 powered Subaru Outback, which currently has no compression in number 3 cylinder. And what we have here is a 3 litre H6 motor that will theoretically fit in this car, which James got for free. So let's see what we got. Just the oil brackets on the oil line at the bottom.
I remember somebody to take them off, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Just bend it out of the way. Just bend the whole thing out of the way. Yeah. Also on the the remains of that bolt I drilled out.
Can I go now?
I reckon. Thought you did. Yet here you are.
Here we are at 11:45, and I finally got all the screws out of this front cover, including the stupid 4mm Allen key bolts, which if you try and put them in with an Allen key, try and use an Allen key to remove it, strips the head. I ended up having to drill the head out and smash a Torx bit into it and use the Torx bit to unscrew it. Now we've finally done that, I can get this oil pump cover off. That's the oil pump. That's it. Fair enough.
Alright, so James got really excited last night, and somehow in the back of this trailer he's managed to get both heads off. You can see the angle the engine's ended up at. And we're not exactly surprised, right? This is a free engine, it's free for a reason. But if you have a look at where our cam ought to be spinning, that is rooted. That is lathed in. So if this were going to on what looks to be both cams, and if we have a look at the other side, yeah, neither of these heads are going to be usable without some serious machine shop work. I was expecting to find more bits, given what some of the other shit you found, I was expecting to find more bits of ground up metal through this motor. But so far we haven't really found the source of the problem, but we did not get usable heads off this motor. So which, James, you want to show us the instrument of destruction you've got in your hand there?
Oh, this is the intake cam shaft. You can see the...
Let's have a look at that bearing surface. Whee! Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be all grooved like that, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, that's McFucked, bro. So the bad sign here, bro, is that it looks like somebody's taken this sump off before. And we've got a pretty good idea what they found. And it looks like they put about 4 bolts back into it and had done with it. And I'm pretty sure they just ditched this thing once they realised how trashed it was. Yeah?
Look at all this.
Whoa.
If this was gold, we'd be saying Eureka.
What is the price of Ali at the moment?
Not entirely sure.
So, oh look, they got the mag. See, it's got a little magnet on it.
Yeah, all the sumps do. Just a sort of residual wear.
Yeah, this is McFucked.
What are you doing, Mr. Anthony?
I don't even know, right? Because this is a boxer engine that comes in like 7 fucking sections. So in a normally ordered universe, you have a sump that goes on the bottom of your block. This is kind of the pre-sump. It's like an anti-chamber for the sump. So instead of having like you pull the sump plate off, there's your crank. This is like this other thing that Subaru thinks you need. But anyway, Might be the bit where we get to find out just how far gone our bottom end is. I'll bring some light over there. Drop the piston down to bottom dead center, and then apparently we can access the side of the piston through the glory hole and allegedly crack the piston rings. That's right. I refuse to call it a service hole. Subaru, we know what this is.
We discovered 2 spun bearings, one on cylinder 2, the other on cylinder 5. Watch fence.
This is, but at this point, a usable block. The bore's okay, the pistons are okay. It's just going to be new rings and rehone, and we're going to be doing a little bit of machine work on this crank and some new bearings and some new rods, and steal some heads from another motor.